What's up guys, back again with another video. Today we're looking at one of the most controversial items in the tech industry that has come out in the last few weeks. You may have seen this floating around the YouTube, Twitter pages, or tech YouTubers Twitter pages and a bunch of tech blogs. These are the 3X pods. They are meant to replicate your Airpods Pros, but of course much bigger than that in size at least. And these are a Bluetooth speaker. These are Bluetooth speakers. You can connect them through Bluetooth, of course, and as well as the TF card and a flash drive to play music off of a certain device. You could buy these. They're called 3X pods because you could buy these from the 3xpods.com. They're $39.99 USD. And today we'll go ahead and unbox these. I'll show you guys how they look and how they sound. So let's get to it. So we'll go ahead and pop the box open. So as you can see, they come with a USB flash drive, USB to a micro USB. So I'm guessing these is to charge it up. And then this looks like a auxiliary cable. So put that to the side. Then here's some. Okay, this is some. Correct me if I'm wrong. Chinese or Japanese language manual. And then here is why you guys are here. This is what you guys are here for. So put this to the side. Nothing else in the box. So you get this in the box as well as the micro USB charger. I'll just put mine away because I'll just you could use any micro USB charger to charge these up. So let's pop these open and see how they sound and how they look. So here's how it is. You can see your micro USB slot. Here's what you will plug in the micro USB to play the music off of that. So you'd have to have songs loaded onto the micro USB flash drive. This is a TF card. This is pretty similar, or at least I know they're literally the same thing as a micro SD card that you would put. Nowadays we don't have phones that come out with micro SD card slots anymore, at least 90% of the ones in the market. But usually you take that, usually they're the same. TF card is the same thing as a micro SD card. So you load music onto that, put it into this and see, you play it off of that. But we'll test out the Bluetooth here today because this is also a Bluetooth speaker above everything else. Here's the on-off switch. I'll grab my phone and pair these up in front of you guys so we can see how long it takes in real time to connect and pair it up. So I have my OnePlus 8 right here. I'll go ahead and jump into the Bluetooth section. Pair new device. I'll go ahead and turn these on. Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright. So MK201. It's right there. Pair. So they're connected. As you saw, it took less than like 5 seconds to connect. I'll put up the volume up and everything, and then I'll play some sounds. So I have these paired up to my phone already, but before I go ahead and test out the music and the sound quality of it, I just want to show you guys the size comparison between an AirPod and this AirPod Pro. Though I don't have an AirPod Pro, I have the AirPod, the first gen actually, and as you can see, the size difference is very noticeable. So here's how it is, just in case you wanted to see the difference in size. So I got a song loaded up. We'll go ahead and play that, and this is, I'm pretty sure at max volume, but I'll check and you guys can see how it sounds. Max volume.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. And clearly I don't see myself up on that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody to see.
I'll pull the music up ahead a little where there's a lot of more lyrics and tunes so you can really see how it sounds. So as you guys can see, it gets decently loud, but to be fair with you guys, this is not the speaker you go ahead and buy for $40 if you're looking for sound quality. This is more of an aesthetic, or like a, to be honest, I'll probably just put it up in my showcase as a decoration piece, but you know, but I think MKBHD said it, Marquez from MKBHD said it really well. This is a very good conversation starter. So once, if I have these on my showcase right now and somebody walks into my house, they see that, you know, they're gonna want to ask what it is and how is it, why is it so massive, and especially because they look like AirPods Pros, which are very well-known AirPods within the tech industry. Also, I wanted to mention this does have a microphone, so you could literally pick up, receive, and make phone calls from it. So yeah, I'm not gonna go ahead and test out the USB and the SD card, as I know many of you guys are probably just gonna use the Bluetooth, as that is the most convenient way of connecting and playing any song from a device that you would like. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed this type of video, and if this helped you any way of making your purchase for this 3X pods. If it did, and please go ahead and share the video and like the video, and of course subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.